How to remove phone number from Google account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how can you remove phone number from Google account. Now to do it, so you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first thing, you could open up any of these Google services. So I'm gonna go with this, and when you actually open it up, click on the initials from the top right and go to manage your Google account. While you're taken to this page, what next you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and click on personal info. As you do it, so you want to scroll down and you could find the list as contact info. So as you could see, there is a phone number, so you want to go ahead and click that option. And once you go to the phone number, what next you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and open it up, or just tap on it, and then you want to click on the bin icon in the top left hand side corner. Once you do it, so you'll be asked to type in the password, and with that being said, you'll have successfully deleted, and then you'll be able to remove phone number from Google account. So that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.